How to multiply a column by a column and get the total result in Excel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn how to multiply a column by a column and get the total result. For that, you first want to open Microsoft Excel. Now over here you have column 1, column 2. Now the first thing you want to do is multiply column 1 by column 2. For that, here on the third cell you want to put equals, then select the first cell, which is A2. Put the multiplying sign and then select B2. Now press enter and column 1 and column 2 will now be multiplied, and this is the result. Now you want to do the same for all of this, so simply drag this formula down. After this, the next thing you want to do is calculate the total result. For that, over here you want to type equals sum bracket open. Now select the C2 cell and now you want to select the range up until the last one, which in this case is C8. Once that is done, you want to close the bracket. Now press enter and you will find your total result. Now there is another way on how you can calculate this. For that, you want to type equals sum product bracket open. Now first you want to select column A, so select A2 and drag this to select the range up until the last one. Now separate this by a comma. Then you want to select the second column, so select the first cell and drag the range up until the last one. Close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, both the results are the same. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.